Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side.
Asante.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we learned. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's be. Let's go on. We know you're in here, soot gremlins. Come on out.
She broke your heart, and ever since that day, boy, you ain't been the same, no. I played my part, did everything to love you, thinking you'd change.
Me right now.
You got your issue, and I have no regrets. Anything concerning you and me, it was a lesson learned. Gave you my all, and this time I ain't got nothing left. As much as I wanna love you right now, ain't the time. So you gotta let it go. Let it go, baby. Let it go, baby.
to you. Not now, later. No, now.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Please.
You say you're gonna pull up, but I know you only come if you think that makes us even. If I would've stayed till you're okay, I know by now. You tell all your friends that I'm obsessed. Now let's get real. What is it you want? You want me here, but back up a little. So
So this is the state of my nails. I've been losing nails one by one since yesterday, so I think it's time to do them again. So I'm going to take the time I have today and do my nails, and then I don't know, anything else that needs maintenance, like my feet, change the polish on my feet. Yeah, so that's what we're doing this afternoon. So let's go get nails and stuff. The nails I have ended up getting are tips instead of, I wanted to get fake nails and like just take away all the work, but I saw this color, this like red ombre color, and I could not buy it. So we are going to be possibly here for the next 1 hour trying to get these on my nails, but this color is so pretty, so let's see how they turn out. I'll come back here after I'm done. I'm finished. I opted for like gold at the beginning here because a lot of the red got cut off because of the length. I didn't want them to be abnormally long, but yeah, this is what they look like. I really like them. Ta-da! I thought I was going to do so much more for this self-care afternoon, but my nails took me a whole hour and now I am too tired to do anything else. So I'm going to drink my water because that is self-care, hydration. But yeah, that's it for my afternoon. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a bit of planning on my journal for the busy week I have ahead. I have the memory of a goldfish sometimes, and so if I don't write things down, I will forget what I need to do. So I'm going to plan the rest of my week here.
I like that.